Hi, it's Alan Berg for the Metropolitan Weddings Workshop and Masterclass. That's right, I'm coming down in June to do a two-part event. I'm going to do a presentation called Why Don't They Call Me? 8 Tips for Converting Wedding and Event Inquiries into Sales. And it's going to teach you how not to get ghosted on your inquiries. I'm also going to give you a little something called 6 Steps to Wedding Show Success, so you can learn how to profit more from the wedding shows. And those two will tie nicely together. And then if you want the real experience, the real deeper experience, you come to the Masterclass. Now, what's a Masterclass? I'm going to do 2 presentations, and then we're going to dive deep into the topics. So one is called 5 Signs It's Time to Fire Your Website. I'm going to give you best practices, things to add, things to take away, how to improve your current site, and I'm then going to, with your permission, pull up some of the websites of people in the audience. I'm going to show you how to use those tips that we just spoke about. And then the second presentation is about your collateral material, your marketing pieces, business cards, brochures, flyers, menus, you name it. These things could be helping or hurting you. So I'm going to do collateral damage. Are your marketing materials killing your business? And then I'll have you bring your materials with you to the masterclass so I can then review them and give you ideas how to make them better so that they'll convert better. You know what a new website costs or new marketing materials? Less than the business you're losing with your current ones. So come to the masterclass. I look forward to seeing you there.